Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with another beautiful 2014 Harley Davidson Street Glide I want to show you. It's a very low mileage bike. It's beautiful vivid black chrome. It's always a winning combination. Bike's got new style rims for 2014. Excellent tire up here. Front fender looks real nice. All the aluminum and bolt heads, all that stuff is nice and clean. No oxidation or rust or anything like that on it. Been upgraded with an engine guard, the nice streamliner style boards and pedals, passenger pegs. 2014's got the new style bags with the single latch there, lockable bags. This one's got the got a manual in there, quick detach. They'll just come off right here with these cam locks, and you can clean your back tire, mufflers, and that sort of thing. 103 motor with a 6-speed. It's got the factory exhaust, so it runs pretty quietly. See that rear tire's in excellent shape as well. Paint on this bike looks pretty much immaculate. I didn't see anything I needed to point out to you. 2014 touring bikes have the flow-through vent up here on the fairing. Got AM, FM stereo without the CD player now. It's got this place here that you can put your iPod or MP3 player or iPhone or whatever, digital music. Has the infotainment center with touch screen, electronic cruise control. There's your resume and set button over here. It's kind of cycling. The infotainment center is cycling now. There we go. It shows your radio station, and then it's got a mode switch that you can channel through your different stations. Sales guys can tell you all about that. This bike has only got 1,557 miles. Nice sound system. Fire it off and let you give it a listen. We ran it through our shop. It didn't need anything. It's ready to rock. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. It's just a new bike with a few miles on it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the planet, so it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.